Hello, what is up? I feel like I'm always bending over at the beginning of these. I could probably fix that, but I'm not going to. So I am going to be going over how to do a bent over row today. Rows are great for your backs. All of us want nice strong backs that look beautiful and feminine and well defined. So this is how you get them, but if you don't do them correctly, then you're probably not getting there. So we are gonna hit the bent over row today. You need any sort of weights. It doesn't matter. If you have one, great. If you have two, great. If you have imaginary weights, that would be slightly harder, but it's still great. Come on, I'll show you how to do the row. Okay, so I've got my two weights. I'm gonna give you the side profile because this direction probably doesn't help you that much. So what you're gonna do is you're going to engage your muscles, right? So start off by standing up real tall, find your posture, booty's not out, booty is tucked underneath you. From there, we are gonna push that booty back, do the opposite of what I just said. Take it from untucked to pushing it back. So push it back, right? But watch what happens when I push it back. My body wants to do this, right? Because weights are heavy, and that's the natural way my spine would go, is to curve down with the weight down. We don't want that, right? So that's gonna put strain of weight in a weird place. And usually it happens in our lower back. So if you're ever lifting, you're like, oh, my lower back's killing me, and not in a good way. Really check in with your posture, be mindful of that because that can totally change things for you. Once we bend over, we wanna already make sure our back is engaged, right? So starting from standing, we're not here, we're here. Our lats are firing, dragging our shoulders down away from our ears, and then we're pushing our booties back. See how the weights just come naturally in front of me? Weights are just hanging here, right? It feels a little awkward to have them completely extended. So a slight bend in my elbow where they're activated is gonna really help. So again, nice flat back the whole time. Engage your core. From your belly button to your spine, you really want active lower abs on this. It's gonna protect you if you're lifting super heavy. A lot of times people will wear weight belts for additional support. Usually not with a bent over row, but you can. I don't know, why not? Okay, so you're gonna bend all the way over and then you're gonna take your elbows and drive them back. You can go super wide. You can row like this, or you can row underhanded grip. You're just working different parts of your back. But the big thing here is you're bending all the way over, or where you can comfortably keep your spine in good alignment and maintain good posture. So we're bending over, we have a nice open chest, and then we're gonna take our elbows and drive them back. Squeezing, trying to squeeze our scapula, right? Together at the top. Wide would look like this. Again, checking in to make sure that you have good posture, good alignment, taking your time, nice engaged core the whole time. Like forward, it's gonna look like this, right? Underhanded grip. And that's it. So hopefully this was helpful. Hopefully you learned something new today. Don't be afraid to lift. You can totally do this. If you don't know, ask someone for help at the gym. Just be like, hey, am I doing this right? Does this look weird? And usually people are really cool and they'll totally help you. So hopefully this helped you. I hope you have a great day. Okay, bye.